Hi everybody, I'm Laura Payne Hunt and I can be found at theonelawyer.com, and this is my YouTube channel, Ask My Lawyer Mom, and this is Ryland, and he always has so many questions, and he is going to ask me a question today, and we're going to be talking about why you need to tell your own insurance company when you have a car accident. You have a question for me today, Ryland?
So if somebody gets in an accident but it's not their fault, do they tell their insurance company?
Yes, and a lot of people, they think, why do I have to tell my own insurance company? They shouldn't even have to know about it. Well, there actually is a pretty good reason. An insurance policy is actually a contract. Some people don't really think of it as a contract, but it's actually a contract. And in that contract, there's certain things that you have to do, otherwise you could be a breach of that contract and they won't cover you. So most insurance policies have a clause that if you get in an accident, you need to tell your own insurance company about it. When it's not your fault, they can't raise your rates in Nevada. It won't affect your premium, but there's other reasons that you should always tell your insurance company too.
Why is that so important?
Well, it's important because if you don't tell your insurance company like you're supposed to, and then you find out that they don't have insurance because they didn't pay their premium, or in Nevada, the limits are pretty low. You only have to have a $25,000 or per person accident, and a lot of policies are not enough to cover your damages. So if you don't tell your insurance company, they may not pay what you already paid for to cover damages that their policy doesn't.
If it's not your fault, why should you even tell your own insurance company?
Well, because like I said, if you don't tell them, then they can, and it turns out that the other side doesn't have any coverage, or they don't have enough coverage, or you have to use your underinsured coverage, then you might not be able to have your coverage at all.
So why should you contract with your insurance company?
Well, you have a contract with your insurance company, and so that contract tells you what you do and don't have to do.
What does the contract say about telling them?
It usually says, and it usually has timelines, and it usually says you have to notify your own insurance company within so many days. So hopefully that answers your questions about why you have to tell your own insurance company.
Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and leave your questions below in the comment section.
And I will look at those comments, and I will definitely get back to you to try to answer any questions that you have. Or call our office at 702-450-4868.